When life knocks you down, and life will knock you down, try to land on your back. Because if you can look up, you can get up. Welcome to Fire with Dr. Ninja Turtle.
Hi everybody, welcome back to Fire with Dr. Ninja Turtle. We are going to go through the setup procedure to schedule a horizontal live on your cell phone. Part of this process is that you have to set it up first on the cell phone and then go to the computer to add the title, the thumbnail, and the description. And then when you have it scheduled, you can just click on the schedule on your cell phone and turn the phone horizontally and it will stay horizontal for your live. So we're going to walk through those steps now. The first thing that you do is click the plus sign on your phone, which you would use to create a post, create a live, or create a short. When you are in the live, you will see the cell phone is vertical, and that is below the camera. What you want to do is tap the cell phone so that it becomes horizontal, as you can see in this screenshot. Then you will click on the pencil, which is below, just next to where it says Fire with Dr. Ninja Turtle. You click on the pencil. The pencil would allow you to say that it's unlisted or it's public. You want to click on the pencil so that you get into the editing menu. Once you click the pencil, you will see the editing menu. By default, it is visibility unlisted. The first thing that you want to do in this editing menu is to make sure that you change it to public. At this point, you want to scroll down until you see the toggle button for schedule for later. Then you toggle the button for schedule for later. Next to the toggle schedule for later, you will see a date. Click on the date and it will open the calendar. And when you're in the calendar, you will first set the day that you want to go live. And then you will get to the following screen, which will show the time to go live. As you can see here, I am setting my time to go live for 10:15 on Friday mornings, which is when I do my lives. 10:15 every single Friday, I do Finance Fridays at 10:15 Central Standard Time. So please join me there for my live. Also, please like and subscribe if you like this content. This is how-to content, but normally I do personal finance content. Once you have your time set, click OK and you will be back on the main menu. Once you have the date and time set, you will then click OK on the clock, and this will take you back to the main editing window where you will click Next. On this menu, it asks you if this is made for children, which in my case it is not, so you would just click Next to take you back to the main live window. You have now scheduled a live on your cell phone. You could go live now by holding the phone vertically and rotating it horizontally after you click the Go Live button. Or you click Done and you are finished scheduling the live on your cell phone. When you click Done, you will see the scheduled live in the calendar. It's a little red, it'll say 1 because I only have one scheduled, but it will have the number that you have scheduled. So in this case, it's a 1, and you are now back at the start screen, and so you just swipe up below the word live to close the app on your cell phone. And then you go into the computer and edit your title, your description, your live tags, and your thumbnail. When you are back in your computer, you can go to your upcoming live, and this is where you will do your editing of your title and thumbnail. You will see that it'll say upcoming, it will show mobile, it will show public, and it will show the date. Once you are ready and you're done editing, but just before you go live, make sure that you come back in here and click on the live control room, which is the symbol below, and do this so that you can have a poll question that you can write on your computer while you are live on your cell phone during your live. When you are ready to go live, go back into your live app on YouTube and click on the calendar in the upper right corner, and it will show you the thumbnail of the live that you're about to open. This time, you're holding your phone vertically and you click Go Live and rotate your phone horizontally very quickly, because the live will start very shortly after you click Go Live. You have just finished doing a live in horizontal fashion on your cell phone. The quote of the day: money never sleeps. Always remember, never let your past determine your future.